Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and beautiful collection of short hairstyle in low maintenance and many much more ideas of hair dye. Different ideas of haircut and overall ideas, trendy, stylish. I hope you like it. So beautiful collection of haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step. And very beautiful collection in undercut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, and light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, ash color, and very beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Many much more beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my videos with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll be come with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.